You're looking at a 2022 Kia Niro EX all electric with 35,000 miles. Gets about 240 miles on a full charge. Car comes loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, blind spot monitors, heat pump, heated seats, heated steering wheel, CCS fast charging, blind spot monitors. The number's right here. The two-tone interior with full power options. You turn the car on. It's got a push start. A nice and large infotainment. Oh, sorry. A little loud. Navigation, backup camera with a warning. It's got the climate control, AC, heated seats, all that stuff. Yep, adjustable drive modes, wireless charging pad with a USB, lane keep assist, radar cruise control, Bluetooth. Exact mileage is 35713. Blind spot monitor controls right there. Actually, I've turned it off so it doesn't beep back. Just a nice clean car. Was just traded into Tesla. This does qualify for the Mass More EV rebate and the IRS tax credit. And they can be used at point of sale if you have the pre-qualifications. Just a nice clean car, still under full factory warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.